that apple pie and we'll raise our voices high. You will feel a gentle feeling when you hear voices singing, time for cheering. Trim the lights and spread good healing, rocking around the winter tree. Have a lovely holiday.